Hey everyone, in today's video I will be talking about of how to view your referral code in GCash. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. So it only takes 3 simple steps to find your GCash referral code. GCash will not give you a code but only a link along with a short invitation message, and then you can forward it to whichever one you want to refer. To whomever you want to refer. So the GCash referral code is appended to the link or URL, but your referrals will have to click on your link to register an account. So they're simply trying to say that when you get your referral link, to make money off them, you will need to send them to the person you want to refer, and then they will simply click on that link and they will have to make an account from that link to actually give you some money. And to basically find your GCash referral code, you will simply open your GCash app, go to your profile section in the bottom, and then you will, when the main menu will appear, select refer friends, such as this, and then you're now in refer friends, and from here you can simply what you want to say, share your referral code. And to share it, you will simply copy it and you can send it to Messenger, SMS, or you can share the QR, or you can share it to WhatsApp, Instagram, etc, etc. So yeah, to view your referral code, you will need to simply go to your account and then go to refer your friends, and then you can see your referral link with an invitation message. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.